People Resources Private Limited.
Welcome students to an enriching learning journey ahead with Wood Apple Resources. Class 1 EVS. I'm your teacher Yug. Here are your friends.
I am Gopi. I am Abby.
Dear students, today I'm going to teach you Chapter 6. Let's celebrate. Hello my little friends. Today we are going to explore the wonderful world of festivals. Festivals are indeed special occasions where we come together with our family and friends to spread joy and happiness. Whether it is birthdays, weddings, or special days, celebrations fill our hearts with warmth and laughter. Let us see how Ram and Rahim are decorating Rangoli together. Look at how our Rangoli is turning out so beautifully. Ram, can you tell us about Diwali?
Sure. On Diwali, families decorate their homes with beautiful oil lamps called diyas and colorful rangolis. People also burst fireworks to celebrate the joyous occasion. Traditional sweets like gujia, laddus, and burfis are prepared and shared with family and friends. Diwali is also a time for prayers and rituals, where we worship Goddess Lakshmi for prosperity and well-being.
Do you know that Diwali is the day when Lord Rama, his wife Sita, and brother Lakshman returned to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile?
That sounds lovely, Ram. Rahim, can you share with us about Eid?
Of course, Eid is a joyous festival. It marks the end of Ramadan, the holy month of fasting. On Eid, people dress in new clothes and gather at mosques to offer special prayers. After prayers, people greet each other with the phrase Eid Mubarak, meaning blessed Eid. Families come together to enjoy delicious feasts with special dishes like sivaiyan being prepared. Children eagerly await Eid, which are gifts and blessings given by elders.
दिवाली पर घर को दियों, रंगोली से सजाया जाता है और पटाखे जलाए जाते हैं। मिठाइयाँ बनती हैं और परिवार और दोस्तों के साथ बांटी जाती है। दिवाली में लक्ष्मी पूजा भी होती है। ईद पर लोग नए कपड़े पहनते हैं और मस्जिद में खास नमाज अदा करते हैं। नमाज के बाद सबको ईद मुबारक कहते हैं।
Thank you, Rahim. Now, let's learn about some other festivals. Ram, what do you know about Guru Purab?
On Guru Purab, Sikhs celebrates the birthday of the first Sikh Guru, Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Gurudwaras are decorated with lights and colorful flags, and people visit Gurudwaras to recite hymns and prayers from the Guru Granth Sahib. Langar, a community kitchen, serves free meals to all visitors.
That's very informative, Ram. And what about Christmas, Rahim?
Christmas is a special celebration for Christians because it is the day when Jesus Christ was born. People decorate Christmas trees with lights and pretty decoration. Families go to church at midnight on Christmas Eve and give gifts to each other on Christmas Day. Kids believe Santa Claus brings gifts. Yummy foods like plum and fruit cake are also important parts of the celebration.
Thank you, Ram and Rahim, for sharing about these beautiful festivals. Now, let us learn about some important national festivals in our country.
That's right, Whoopi. National festivals like Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti hold special significance for our nation.
Can you tell us more about Independence Day?
15th August 1947 is the day celebrated as Independence Day in India. With lots of pride, it reminds us of the day India became free from British rules. We celebrate the flag hoisting ceremony where the national flag is raised in schools, singing the national anthem and patriotic songs, and enjoying cultural shows. It is the day to remember the brave people who fought for our freedom.
Wow, that's amazing. And what about Republic Day?
Republic Day is a day celebrated on 26th January. It's when our Constitution came into effect in 1950. On this day, the Grand Parade is done in New Delhi, showing off our country's strength and diversity. We also have colorful performances and music.
And lastly, what is Gandhi Jayanti all about?
Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October, remembering the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation, who helped India gain independence. We honor him by praying for him and talking about his teachings of peace and kindness. It reminds us to be good to each other and work for a better world.
Thank you for explaining these important festivals to us. हमारे देश में स्वतंत्रता दिवस, गणतंत्र दिवस और गांधी जयंती जैसे राष्ट्रीय त्योहारों का खास महत्व है। स्वतंत्रता दिवस पर हम भारत की आज़ादी को मनाते हैं। गणतंत्र दिवस पर हम अपने संविधान को मनाते हैं और गांधी जयंती पर महात्मा गांधी के जन्मदिन पर उनको याद करके मनाते हैं। उन्होंने हमारे देश की स्वतंत्रता के लिए संघर्ष किया था।
Today we learn festivals are special occasions celebrated with family and friends. Celebrations include birthdays, weddings, and other special days, bringing joy and happiness. Festivals include cultural celebrations like Diwali, Eid, Christmas, and Guru Purab. Traditions like decorating homes, preparing special dishes, and exchanging gifts are common during festivals. National festivals like Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti hold significance for the entire country. Festivals promote love, unity, and togetherness among communities. Thank you for joining us. Keep learning and exploring with Wood Apple Resources.